headlamp for tonight. Batteries. Where? They always have to fall down to the bottom. Where are they? I got toilet paper, gel, chopsticks, wipes. Everything has to settle down to the bottom. Alright, so if you're like me and you end up having to dig around your Hidden Woodsman Possibles pouch for your batteries to your headlamp, which is right here, just getting it ready for tonight so it won't be dark and I'm like, oh wait, I need my headlamp. That's why I was uncovering that last week, so I went and picked up these Storacell battery holders, and what they are is this will hold 6 AAA batteries. So now instead of having to dig through my Possibles pouch for my batteries, actually I'm near an active runway, so I guess I can't be too mad. So you just plop them in there. I got the orange blaze for the you know, bright color, and I think I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the bag it came in for in case a battery leaks, which I haven't really had any problems with battery leaking yet, knock on wood, but you never know. But I can just drop this whole thing right into my Possibles pouch, and now when I need to dig it out, it'll be much quicker because I can just open it up, I find the packaging, boom. Now I can go ahead and put them in my headlamp. And of course I bought 2, so 2 is 1, 1 is none. And you know what, darn it, I forgot the, what happened to the paper with how much they cost. You know, I bet it's still sitting at home because I had to forget something. That's a general rule. So, now I can tell them apart because these energizers are new. So the Duracells are old. I'm just gonna keep using the old batteries until you know, they run out, but I'll have 3 more spares and they won't be lost everywhere. And of course I already did a video on my Vaunt headlamp, so because I'm a big fan of not tripping in the dark. So get these out. There we go. Alrighty, so it's morning of day 3, just packing up camp, so I'm putting away my battery holder. Yeah, I think this will work out great because I like convenience. I'll have to put in the somewhere in the description, or maybe I'll pop it up on the screen, how much these weigh. Hardly weighs a thing, so just because I always keep my batteries out of my headlamp in case of leakage. There we go. Everything will be down in the description as far as website, where to buy. Oh, forgot my headlamp. Nice and neat. Anyway, I appreciate watching. Catch you in the next one. This will probably be a quick video, just kind of going over the product. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.